My future, the dreams I have. I look at a spacious house for myself. I look at travels, like I travel to conferences to present about albinism. I look at getting my master's degree in time to come very soon. I look at persons with albinism being accepted in society by everyone and the community at large. Then, we're trying having funding and a system that is well governed that can help it last. That's what I look up to, because I need this thing to move on and on and on. Not to end with us, but it has to continue. However much we live, that it shall stand. That's what I really look at. I look at having more kids for myself. I love it and I like it. Then, having a big chunk of land, having a farm, cows, goats, rearing, farming basically. That's what I look at. Then, having an organization for our tribe, as well as having my personal thing. Yes. Then, I look at these women being economically empowered and doing great. Women with albinism and those affected by albinism. They must be economically empowered and doing great in whatever.
Thank you.